Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is a how-to video on how to change the Big Tex tag light. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Okay, you gotta pull this out. See it? Use a flathead, anything flat you can get the, I don't know your situation, but yeah, take this off. Like a little lamp or whatever you wanna call it. Untwist it, take the light out. The light is a 631. Find the groove, twist it back in, check it, make sure it's in there tight. Put your little lamp back on. It snaps. Make sure you hear it snap. Push your wire back in and make sure you push your wire all the way back in. And it snaps in place. There you go.